Today we are trying something new. With the holidays coming up, I thought it would be a great idea to start testing out products and see if they really work. So today I'm going to be featuring the Betty Crocker Microwave Cake Maker. This is available from Amazon. I will provide a link for you so that you can go check this out, and hopefully if it works, go check it out and buy one for yourself. It was actually super easy. So here we have the Betty Crocker Microwave Cake Maker that promises to make a cake in our microwave in 5 minutes, 30 seconds that is going to be moist, rich, and fresh, versus 40 minutes in our oven. So I'm really excited to see if this one works. I've gone ahead and already washed mine since I knew we were going to be doing this, so I am all ready to get started. And this tells me, let's follow the directions. Add ingredients to the fill lines per the ingredients container. So we have water fill line for both chocolate mix or other mix. I have an oil fill line, 2 eggs, and cake mix fill line. Okay, our eggs go in the middle here, 2 eggs. Let's put in our cake mix. So that we have a fill line here about midway. I'm going to pour it in. Guess I can kind of spread it out. All right, that looks to be about right. So that used up about half of our cake mix. Next is our oil. It's going to go right here in this section, and I will fill that up to the fill line. There we go. And let's get our water in. And then that I am using chocolate mix, so I'm going to fill it up to my chocolate mix line. Let's read our directions again. Pour ingredients into the cake baking pan and stir until well blended. So we're just going to take our ingredient container now and flip it into our cake pan. There we have our ingredients all poured in, and then we're just going to mix. Stir until well blended. I'm going to go ahead and just clean up the sides here and get some of the cake mix off of the sides. And then we're going to be ready to put this in the microwave. We may have delicious cake soon. Okay, let's see how it came out. Our cake is done, and I am going to just turn this out onto this cake plate. Let's see how easily. Pretty easy. Since I had half of my cake mix left, I decided to go ahead and make a second layer to our cake. Let's see if this cake is as moist and delicious as it would have been if we baked it in the oven. Can't wait to see. So now we're going to taste the cake and see if it is actually moist and delicious. It is definitely completely cooked through. It is moist. There's a slight difference in the flavor of the cake. Very slight. Other than that, it's perfect. It really is perfect. Thumbs up, Betty Crocker.